Hello, good day. My name is Blair. Today, right here on Science is Cool, we will talk about the forces. A force is a push or pull acting on an object. We have so many forces actually that affects us. We have natural contact force, tension, friction, air resistance, magnetic force, electrostatic force, and gravity. But we will talk about the resultant force. Force are vector quantities because they have both magnitude and direction, and it can be represented by an arrow.
When several forces acting on an object, they can be replaced by a single force that has a same effect. This single force is called resultant force. How can we measure force? We can use the spring balance to measure force. Force is measured in newtons. It is represented by a capital letter N. We can use an arrow to show the direction of the force acting on an object. Then, the length of the arrow will show the magnitude of the force acting on the object. The longer the arrow, the greater the force. An object may have two or more forces acting on at the same time. If the force acting on an object are in the same direction, the object will move in the same direction as the force. The resultant force is the sum of the two forces. For example, two forces driving a box on the same direction. Force A is 4 newtons. Force B is 6 newtons. Force A plus force B is equals to 10 newtons, which is our resultant force. If an object acting on these two forces in the opposite direction, force A is greater than force B, the object will be moved in the direction of force A. The resultant force acting on the object will be the difference between the two forces. For example, force A of 2 newtons is pulling the box on the left, while force B of 5 newtons is pulling the box on the right. 2 newtons minus 5 newtons is equals to 3 newtons, which is our resultant force. If both forces are acting equally on the object in the opposite direction, the object will not move, it canceling each other out. The resultant force is 0.
So that's it for now. Catch another episode right here on Science is Cool, right here on my channel. I'm Blair. Say see you, and remember, science is cool.
Science strike!